look what has finally arrived. So this is a kit. This is a relocation kit for the thermocoupler modules. So this is really important. I'll show you guys exactly where this is gonna go. And this finally has arrived. The new temp sensor. Again, all original Lamborghini parts. This wasn't that expensive. It's about 300 bucks or maybe $400 or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in. That's where it's gonna go, right over there. I did move one of the O2 sensors out of the way just so I have a little bit more room to work with. So this is the temp sensor. Again, for those who don't know, it's just gonna go exactly like this and screw on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to install this guy now. So this is the rear left side, the driver's side. This is basically how it looks like stock. It sits under all these O2 sensor connections, and basically these wires are from the temp sensors, and I printed these instructions off. This is a TSV bulletin. The camping code is right over there, and it affects all these cars over here. So we have the LP700-4, 720, SVS, and the SVJ from 12 to 19. And it basically shows the instructions on how to do it. It's kind of confusing, but I was basically able to just see the pictures along over here and then kind of guess how it goes. So let me just walk over to the passenger side and show you guys how I did it on this side. So this side is already done. I just did it. So I ran the wires like that over there. And this is where the thermocoupler module sits now, is above all those modules. So that's supposed to be a cooler area for, let me get a zoom, cooler area basically where it sits now, and it shouldn't get too hot anymore. And basically probably the hard part was to run these wires the proper way to make sure that they're not completely tangled. I had to put a zip tie over there, and then the zip tie is supplied in the kit as well. And then basically the other hard part was that Torx 30 screw right above that thermocoupler module was probably the harder part to put that on, but it's all in there now. I'm happy. I just finally finished the car, put it all back together, and it's literally 2 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm not lying here. Let me show you guys the time. So the reason we're going out at this time, because there's no traffic, and this car got super loud. So you guys are kind of watching as we go along right now to test it out and see how it sounds. So we're gonna go hit the highway and go have some fun. The car has been sitting for a long time. It's really dirty. I'm not gonna bother washing it because it's nighttime. And I'm just really anxious to see how it sounds right now. Yeah, I need to show you guys, yeah. It's dusty. I don't think you can see that at nighttime. The wheels are already black, but I think we'll still have a lot of fun. So, should we go, guys?
Let's go.
Let's do it. So my friends are gonna be following me. They're gonna be recording from my other car. The other film car, the video car, is, of course, a G-Wagon. Name a better filming car. Yours? Nah. Probably. Not better than the G though. Start it up. Pull start. Strata mode. The valves are closed right now. So, let's go.
Getting caved in.
Holy shit, man. That's good. That definitely sounds better now. I think I'm quite happy the way the exhaust sound there now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I think I'm quite satisfied as to how the sound turned out. And on that bombshell, thanks for watching, guys. This was part 4. If you guys have not seen the other part, make sure you guys check out part 1, part 2, and part 3, just so y'all caught up. And make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. And make sure you guys stay tuned. I am going to be building a Lamborghini Huracan. There's a full series about that coming up, so make sure you guys come and check that out as well. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.